Dividing polynomials can take a lot of time. Ready for a change? Say hello to synthetic division. To divide polynomials with synthetic division, the divisor must be a binomial in the form x minus c, where c is a constant. Let's see how this works. The first thing we need to do is write down the coefficients of the dividend. That would be 2, -3, 4, and -5. Since the divisor is x minus 2, our c is 2. So we can put this to the right of our coefficients. We'll leave the first coefficient as it is. Now, we multiply it by our c, 2. So this is 2 times 2, which is 4. Now, we add 4 to our next coefficient, -3. This gives us -3 plus 4, which is 1. Now, we multiply 1 by 2 and add this to our next constant, 4, which gives us 6. We multiply 6 by 2, which is 12. So we have 2, 1, 6, and 7. Each term in the quotient has an exponent 1 degree lower than the original dividend. X cubed becomes x squared becomes x becomes a constant, and our constant will become the remainder, which is 7 over our divisor. So this gives us our quotient. The answer is 2x squared plus x plus 6 plus 7 over x minus 2. We can double check our answer by multiplying it by our divisor. We can expand our expression by distributing the x minus 2, and now we distribute for each term. 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 2x, 6x, minus 12, and 7. To combine like terms, we add the -4x squared and the x squared, which gives us -3x squared. We can also combine the -2x and 6x to give us 4x, and we can add the 7 to -12, which is -5. And our simplified expression matches the original dividend. It works. So we found our answer using synthetic division. Now take a look at this division. Can we use synthetic division here? Remember, to use synthetic division, the divisor must be in the form x minus c. Here we have x plus 1. Now, even though we have a plus instead of a minus, we can think of the plus 1 as minus -1. A double negative is a positive. Now we can clearly see that we can use -1 as our c. So let's try solving this using synthetic division. First, we get all our coefficients from the dividend, 1, -1, and -2. And let's start. We leave the first coefficient, 1, as it is. And now we multiply 1 by -1 and add this to the second term, -1. -1 plus -1 is -2. Next, we multiply -2 by -1. This is 2. Adding this to our last term, -2, we get 0. Remember, each exponent is decreased by 1. So our original x squared is now x. Our x is now a constant, and the leftover constant is the remainder. So what do we get? X minus 2. And we have no remainder. Alright, let's check. If we got the right answer, we should get the dividend when we multiply x minus 2 in our divisor, x plus 1. This gives us x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. Combine the x and -2x, and we see that we indeed have our dividend. So x minus 2 is the right answer. Great work. Synthetic division can save a lot of time when we are dividing polynomials. Just make sure that the divisor is in the correct form, x minus a constant. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Keep working hard and keep learning. Thank you for watching.